Logan, it's my prayer that you'll always be Will's princess, his best friend. That y'all continue to grow together and get to know each other better every day. And I want you to know, Will, it's my prayer that you'll always be Logan's knight in shining armor, a hero, a best friend. But it's going to mean that you care more about what she wants than what you want. Everyone please stand. Will, be now kiss your bride.
My wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. May your dreams stay big and your worries stay small, and never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there, getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. This is my wish.